To our channel, I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll show you how can you remap keyboard keys in Windows 10 or 11. In order to change your keyboard layout in Windows 10 or 11, the easiest way to customize your keyboard is by using PowerToy, a free program made by Microsoft. It allows you to reassign key and change your keyboard shortcut using a simple interface. Toys also enables you to personalize the layout and appearances of the operating system. So first thing, you want to download Microsoft Power Toy and install it to your PC. Once it is completely installed, open up the Power Toy and select Keyboard Manager in the left hand side bar of the screen. On the next field, you want to click on Remap a key. Moving on, you want to go ahead and click on the plus button, and on plus button the keys. As you do it, so under the keys, choose the key you want to reassign from a drop-down menu, or select type and enter the key as well. Once you've actually done it, so under map to, choose the new key. After you've actually done it, so once again you need to map to choose a new key if you want to switch to key. Then you'll have done it so, and click on the OK button in order to confirm it so. Now restart your PC and see that works or not. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.